Once the symbols of some of the world's greatest ancient cultures, many of the Middle East's culture heritage sites have become casualties of years of brutal conflict across the region. Looting, bombings, and cultural purges at the hands of religious extremists have left dozens of sites damaged or reduced to rubble. Amid the destruction, French startup Econem is turning to drones to give at-risk or lost cultural heritage sites such as Palmyra in Syria and Mosul in Iraq new life.
We go to the sites, for example in Mosul and Aleppo, with different photography methods, camera and drones. We take hundreds of thousands of photos. It's a very large quantity of data that we bring back to France to process using large computers and with these algorithms, which will automatically construct photorealistic 3D models, true copies of the real sites, but virtual.
The digital reconstructions might well be used when Aleppo and Mosul are rebuilt. Econem have joined UNESCO World Heritage Revive the Spirit of Mosul project, planning the reconstruction of the Iraqi city, which was heavily bombed during the fight against a 3-year-long occupation by the so-called Islamic State. The digital reconstructions have also been adapted into an immersive virtual reality experience for the public at Paris's Arab World Institute as part of an exhibition titled Age-Old Cities, a virtual journey from Palmyra to Mosul.
This cultural heritage is not only very precious and very fragile, but it also belongs to everyone. It is for that reason we have created a large, immersive, and striking exhibition. We said to ourselves, we couldn't talk about a whole Leptis Magna or Palmyra. With these pieces, it would only fragment them. So it was important for us to mark this loss and to create an immersive exhibition with large images in order to bring the visitor directly to the heart of these sites.
I was truly moved, first to see the enormous scale of the destruction. It's very important to focus on that because even people who have visited there before can't go now. And so to see what you've heard about so much but only seen in snippets, to see that so fully all around you is very, very moving and impressive.
Using culture to fight violence, one image at a time.